Rule 1. Kill the mindless scrolling. Your phone is the biggest reason you can't focus for more than 20 seconds. For 6 days, no shorts, no reels, no TikTok, no doom scrolling. Messages are fine, calls are fine, but the moment you catch yourself scrolling with no purpose, your detox day is done. Start over tomorrow. This forces you to actually confront your boredom again, which is where real thinking starts. Rule 2. Eat like someone who respects their brain. Your brain can't reset if all you feed it is sugar and junk. For 6 days, no sugary crap, no chips, no energy drinks pretending to be productivity. Real food, real water. You'll be shocked at how quickly your head feels lighter. Rule 3. Move your body even if you don't feel like it. You don't need a gym transformation. You just need movement. 30 minutes of walking, a bit of stretching, that's it. Because if your body is sluggish, your mind will be too. Rule 4. Shut everything off before bed for 2 hours before you sleep. No screens, no scrolling. No, just one more video. Do anything that isn't digital. Read, journal, stare at the ceiling. I don't care. Your brain needs silence to rebuild the ability to focus. Rule 5. 2 real focus blocks. Your attention span is weak because you never actually use it properly. So every day, 2 45-minute deep work sessions. One task. No music, no tabs, no notifications. It's supposed to feel difficult. That's the point. Rule 6. Clean your environment. Not a full makeover. Just clean the space where you work or spend time. A messy room creates a messy mind. You don't notice it until it's gone. Day 7, controlled rest. This isn't a cheat day. Don't reward yourself with binge eating or 5 hours of scrolling. Just relax without destroying the progress you built. Notice how your mind feels. If even one of these habits made you feel better, keep it. Don't go back to the same cycle you were in before. Use the comments as your accountability. Day 1 starts now. Drop your check-in every day. No excuses.